Hello! Magandang buhay sa ating lahat. Ngayon po ay pag-aaralan natin tungkol sa operations on functions. Mayroong apat na operations on functions, namely addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Ang ating pagtutuunan ngayon ay tungkol sa subtraction of functions. Okay, puntahan na natin. So we have here an overview. So operations on functions are similar to operations on numbers. Each operation has a formal definition which produces a new function. So when we perform operations on two functions, ang result niya ay another functions. Okay, let's have a definition of difference of two functions or subtraction of functions. Let f and g be any two functions. Their difference, denoted by f minus g, is the function defined by f minus g of x equals f of x minus g of x. Ang tatandaan nyo dito ay yung pangalawang function, yung subtrahend. Okay. Now, take note na minus. So meaning, papalitan nyo ng sign ang mga terms ng pangalawang functions. And then you proceed to the rule of addition. Okay, example number 1. Suppose the given two function f of x equals 2x and g of x equals x minus 4. Find f minus g. Okay, ano yung solution natin? Una, write first the formula. Yung f minus g equals f of x minus g of x. Pangalawa, magsusubstitute na tayo. Ano yung f of x? We have 2x. Ano yung g of x? We have x minus 4. Pero remember na ang operation ay minus, kaya kailangan natin na papalitan ng sign ang pangalawang function na g of x with x minus 4. Yung x magiging negative 4. Yung negative 4 magiging positive 4. And then we simplify. Yung rule na natin ay addition. Once na napalitan na natin ng sign yung subtrahend, let's proceed to the rule of addition. 2x minus x is positive x, and then we copy 4. Bakit minus ang operation dito? Because in addition, adding unlike sign, we are going to subtract. So 2 minus 1 is 1, and we copy the sign of 1 to 2 because 2 is bigger than 1. And that is the difference of f and g, which is x plus 4. So another example. Okay, for instance, you are going to evaluate the function f minus g evaluated the function at x equals 2. Okay. Ang second step is to substitute. We have 2x minus the quantity of x minus 4. And then we simplify. We distribute. So we have negative x. And distribute, we have positive 4. And then we simplify. 2x minus x is x. And then automatic, you substitute 2. We have 2 plus 4 is 6. That's the value of the function evaluated at x equals 2, which is 6. Or kung gusto nyo, palitan nyo na lahat ng x by 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. Itong 2, itong x magiging 2. 2 minus 4 or magiging negative 2 plus 4. So 4 minus 2 is 2 plus 4 is 6. You will get the same answer. Another is, another solution, we have f minus g of x equals f of x minus g of x. We have x minus 3 as our f of x and g of x, which is 2x plus 4. So distribute the negative sign inside the parentheses. We have negative 2x and then negative 4. And then simplify. So x and then negative 2x are similar. But then unlike sign, you subtract 2 minus 1 is negative 1x. Then negative 3 and negative 4 are similar, but the same sign you add. 3 plus 4 is 7, and that is negative. That's the difference of the two function f and g, which is negative x minus 7. Okay. Another. Given the two function f of x equals 3x plus 2 and g of x equals 4 minus 5x, find f minus g. Okay. So, you substitute first the given f of x, which is 3x plus 2, and g of x, which is 4 minus 5x. Pero, lalagyan nyo ng parenthesis yung second function kasi minus. Kailangan nyo pang palitan ng sign yung second function para maalis yung parenthesis. It became negative 4, it became positive 5x. Then simplifying similar terms, 3x plus 5x is 8x, 2 minus 4 is negative 2. And that is the difference of f and g, which is 8x minus 2. Another example, suppose the given f of x equals x cubed plus 3x squared minus 5 and g of x equals x plus 3. Find f minus g of x. Our solution is to write first the definition of the difference of two functions, f of x minus g of x, and then substitute. Our f is x cubed plus 3x squared minus 5, and our g is x plus 3. Pero kung mapapansin nyo, may parenthesis siya kasi minus. Kailangan pa natin i-distribute yung minus sign inside the parenthesis ng g. It became negative x and then negative 3. Then, we simplify. Yung x cubed walang kapareho, kokopyahin lang. Yung 3x squared walang kapareho, kokopyahin. Yung negative x walang kapareho, kokopyahin. But negative 5 and negative 3 are similar, so you can combine the same sign, you copy the sign and add the number, which is negative 8. That's the answer. Another example is, suppose the given function f of x equals x cubed plus 3x squared minus 5 and g of x equals x plus 3. Find f minus g at x equals 3, or evaluate f minus g when x is equal to 3. I have here two solutions. The first method is you directly substitute or papalitan natin direkta yung variable x ng value, which is 3. Okay? But then take note na kailangan yung i-substitute or papalitan ng sign yung second function. Okay? So it became negative x and then it became negative 3. So direkta natin na pinalitan yung x ng 3. So 3 cubed is 27. 3 squared, ito muna yung square. 3 times 3, 9 times 3 is 27. Then the same negative 5, negative 3, negative 2, the same sign. So you add and copy the sign, which is negative 11. 27 plus 27 is 54 minus 11 is 43. Another method is you get first the difference. Ito yung difference ng two function bago kayo magso-substitute. We replace x ng 3. Papalitan natin yung x ng 3. That's 3 cubed. At yung x squared. So 3 squared is 9 times 3 is 27. Then we simplify na alis na yung parenthesis ng 3. So that's became negative 3. Then 27 plus 27 is 54. Negative 3 plus negative 8 is negative 11. So 54 minus 11 is 43. Last example. Suppose the given is f of x equals x cubed plus 3x squared minus 5 and g of x equals x plus 3. Evaluate f minus g when x equals negative 2. Method 1 natin, so direct na nagsusubstitute. Replace directly sa independent variable x ng value. Papalitan natin lahat ng x by negative 2. Pero take note of the second function, kailangan yung palitan ng sign. Magiging negative x, magiging negative 3. So if you notice, we have negative 2 enclosed lagi pag nagso-substitute. Cube plus 3 times negative 2 squared minus 5. Itong kulay blue, that's minus sign. Yung x is negative 2. Then itong plus, magiging minus. Okay. Then we simplify. So negative 2 cube is negative 8. 2 squared is 4 times 3 is 12. Then negative 5 plus 2 minus 3. Okay. So we have negative 5. This is negative 5. So we have here, this is negative 5. So 3 times negative 5, this is negative 5. So 8 plus 5 is 5, 6, 7, 8 is 16. Okay, that should be 16. Minus 14 is negative 2. Okay? So, or we have this. So, or we have this one. This is also negative 2. Okay. Or method 2, yung magsusubstitute tayo sa difference na ng two functions. This is the difference of two functions, x cubed plus 3x squared minus x minus 8. Saka kayo magsusubstitute. We have negative 2 cubed plus 3 times negative 2 squared minus negative 2 minus 8. So negative 2 cubed is negative 8. Negative 2 squared is 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, then we add similar terms. Negative 8 plus negative 8 is negative 16. 12 plus 2 is 14. And our answer is negative 2. Okay, that's all. Thank you.